Good morning, students. In today's class, let us discuss about five kingdom system of classification. Five kingdom system of classification. Five kingdom system of classification. The five kingdom system of classification was proposed by R.H. Whittaker. R.H. Whittaker proposed five kingdom system of classification. R.H. Whittaker proposed five kingdom system of classification. R.H. Whittaker proposed five kingdom system of classification. According to five kingdom system of classification, the living organisms present on the earth are grouped under five categories. The living organisms present on the earth are grouped into five kingdoms, such as Kingdom Monera, Kingdom Protista, Kingdom Mycota, Kingdom Plantae and Kingdom Animalia. Five kingdom system of classification includes five kingdoms such as one is Kingdom Monera. Kingdom Protista, Kingdom Monera, Kingdom Protista, Kingdom Mycota. Third one is Kingdom Mycota or Kingdom Fungi. Kingdom Mycota are also called as Kingdom Fungi. Fourth one is Kingdom Plantae. And fifth one is Kingdom Animalia. According to five system of classification, the living organisms present on the earth are classified or grouped into five kingdoms. In taxonomy category or taxonomy, you have studied about the classification of organisms, like how we can classify the organisms. First, we have to write the particular organism comes under particular kingdom. Category, hierarchy, taxonomic hierarchy, which includes kingdom, next to the kingdom, phylum or division. Kingdom, next to the kingdom, phylum or division. Next to the phylum, class. Next to this, order, family, genus and species. Taxonomic hierarchy, or each taxa or each steps comes under classification or kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus and species. What is species? Group of organisms which are sharing many number of fundamental characteristics. Group of organisms which are sharing the similar fundamental characters, species. Group of species forms genus. Group of genus forms family. Group of families forms order. Group of orders form class. Group of classes forms phylum. Group of phylums form kingdom. There are mainly 5 kingdoms such as Kingdom Monera, Kingdom Protista, Kingdom Mycota or fungi, Kingdom Plantae, and the last one is Kingdom Animalia. 5 kingdoms are present, and this 5 kingdom system of classification was proposed by R.H. Whitaker. R.H. Whitaker proposed 5 kingdom system of classification. How the organisms present on the earth were classified under this 5 kingdom system of classification? That is based on some fundamental characteristics or based on some criteria. Living organisms present on the earth were grouped or classified under 5 kingdom system of classification. Means based on the number of cells present in the organism. Means whether the organism is unicellular or multicellular. Whether the organism is prokaryotic or eukaryotic. Whether it is autotrophic or heterotrophic. Whether the organism is able to move from one place to another place or not, or they are fixed. Based on some fundamental characters or some criteria, living organisms were classified under 5 kingdom system of classification. First one is Kingdom Protista. Kingdom Monera. First, let us discuss about Kingdom Monera. Kingdom Monera includes unicellular prokaryotic organisms. It includes unicellular prokaryotic organisms. That means the unicellular prokaryotic organisms were grouped under Kingdom Monera. Unicellular prokaryotic organisms were grouped under Kingdom Monera. Unicellular means single. Organism having single cell. Single celled organism, unicellular organism means organism made up of single cell. Unicellular organism. And that single cell only performs all the functions required for the survival of that organism. For example, consider this is one organism, unicellular organism. This is the unicellular organism. Means organism made up of single cell. And this single cell only performs digestion of food, exchange of gases, excretion. All the functions are performed by this single cell. Unicellular prokaryotic organisms. Prokaryotic organisms means organisms in which true nucleus is absent, nuclear envelope is absent, hence the genetic material is scattered in the cytoplasm. And in prokaryotic cell organelles are absent, membrane bound cell organelles like mitochondria, Golgi apparatus, endoplasmic reticulum, etc. are absent. Membrane bound cell organelles are absent in prokaryotic organisms or prokaryotic cell. So the organisms having single cell and prokaryotic cell are grouped under kingdom Monera. Example for organism which comes under kingdom Monera are bacteria. Bacteria comes under kingdom Monera. Then other than this, cyanobacteria. Cyanobacteria is nothing but blue-green algae. Cyanobacteria or blue-green algae comes under kingdom Monera. Kingdom Monera includes unicellular prokaryotic organisms. Example, bacteria and cyanobacteria or blue-green algae. Next, kingdom Protista. Second one is kingdom Protista. Kingdom Protista includes unicellular means organism made up of single cell. Unicellular eukaryotic organisms. Kingdom Protista includes unicellular eukaryotic organisms. Means, see, kingdom Monera also includes unicellular organism, whereas Protista also includes unicellular organisms. But the difference is kingdom Monera includes unicellular prokaryotic organisms, whereas kingdom Protista includes unicellular eukaryotic organisms. This is the main difference between kingdom Protista and kingdom Monera. Here, prokaryotic organism, whereas the Protista includes eukaryotic organisms. The examples for kingdom Protista. Example, it includes diatoms, then some protozoans, diatoms and protozoans like amoeba, paramecium comes under kingdom Protista. Diatoms, then protozoans like amoeba, paramecium, euglena, etc. comes under kingdom Protista. Then next one is kingdom Mycota. Kingdom Mycota. Kingdom Mycota are also called as fungi. Kingdom Mycota also called as fungi. Kingdom Mycota or fungi usually includes multicellular eukaryotic chlorophyllous heterotrophic organisms. Chlorophyllous heterotrophic organisms. Kingdom Mycota or fungi. Kingdom Mycota or fungi includes multicellular means organism made up of many cells. The body of the organism made up of many cells. Multicellular eukaryotic chlorophyllous means chlorophyll pigment is absent. Chlorophyllous, absence of chlorophyll pigment. and heterotrophic organisms. Remember, yeast comes under kingdom Mycota, but yeast is unicellular. Yeast is unicellular except yeast. Kingdom Mycota includes multicellular eukaryotic organisms. Except yeast. Yeast is used in baking and brewing industries. Yeast is used in, except yeast, this Mycota, kingdom Mycota includes, except yeast, this kingdom includes multicellular organism. All other organism comes under kingdom Mycota are multicellular, whereas the yeast is unicellular. Yeast is unicellular. Yeast is used in baking and brewing industries. The best example for yeast is Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Here we are going to study in detail. In first year, we are going to study in detail about kingdom Mycota. Kingdom Mycota includes multicellular, eukaryotic, achlorophyllous, heterotrophic organisms. It includes multicellular, eukaryotic, achlorophyllous means absence of chlorophyll pigment. Chlorophyll pigment is essential for photosynthesis. In case of autotrophic organisms like plant, in case of plants, chlorophyll pigment is present and that chlorophyll pigment imparts or gives green color. But here, in case of fungi or in case of Mycota, chlorophyll pigment is absent. Achlorophyllous means absence of chlorophyll pigment, and they are heterotrophic. Heterotrophic organisms. Heterotrophic means which are dependent on another organism for food and shelter. The best example for kingdom Mycota is fungi. Fungi. Example is fungi. And particularly in case of fungi, you can give the example of Rhizopus, bread mold. Rhizopus is the bread mold. Rhizopus, then Aspergillus, etc. Rhizopus, Aspergillus, etc. Rhizopus, Aspergillus, etc. comes under fungi. This is about kingdom Mycota or kingdom fungi. The next one. Next kingdom is Plantae. Kingdom Plantae. Kingdom Plantae. Next one is kingdom Plantae. Kingdom Plantae includes plants. Name itself indicates kingdom Plantae, which includes plants. Right? This kingdom includes multicellular, eukaryotic, chlorophyllous. Chlorophyllous means presence of chlorophyll pigment. Chlorophyllous, autotrophic organisms. Autotrophic organisms. Kingdom Plantae. Kingdom Plantae includes multicellular, means organisms made up of many cells. Multicellular means made up of many cells. Eukaryotic, chlorophyllous. Chlorophyllous means presence of chlorophyll pigment, and autotrophic organisms. Autotrophic means these are the organisms which are able to prepare their own food. Autotrophic means organisms able to prepare their own food, usually by photosynthesis. Such organisms were included under kingdom Plantae. And this kingdom Plantae includes different types of plants. Kingdom Plantae includes different types of plants, such as bryophytes, pteridophytes, gymnosperms, and angiosperms. Algae, bryophytes, pteridophytes, gymnosperms, angiosperms comes under kingdom Plantae. Algae, then bryophytes, pteridophytes, gymnosperms, and angiosperms. Gymnosperms and angiosperms comes under kingdom Plantae. Algae, bryophytes, pteridophytes, gymnosperms, and angiosperms comes under kingdom Plantae. The last kingdom is kingdom Animalia, which includes animals. Kingdom Animalia includes animals. Kingdom Animalia includes multicellular. Animalia includes multicellular, eukaryotic, then achlorophyllous. Achlorophyllous means absence of chlorophyll pigment. Achlorophyllous, heterotrophic, motile organisms. Heterotrophic motile organisms. Say, kingdom Mycota or kingdom Fungi also includes multicellular, eukaryotic, achlorophyllous, heterotrophic organisms. But the fungi are non-motile. Motile means able to move from one place to another place. See, this is motility, means movement. Organism which is able to move from one place to another place is called as motile organism. Animals are motile, means animals can move from one place to another place, whereas the fungi and plants are non-motile. Fungi are non-motile, plants are also non-motile. Means they are unable to move from one place to another place, non-motile. So the main difference between Animalia, kingdom Animalia and kingdom Mycota. Kingdom Mycota or fungi includes multicellular except yeast, multicellular, eukaryotic, achlorophyllous, heterotrophic organism. Whereas the kingdom Animalia includes multicellular, eukaryotic, achlorophyllous, heterotrophic, motile organisms which are able to move from one place to another base. And animals are also heterotrophic, dependent on another organism for food. Heterotrophic means one organism dependent on another organism for food. It may be dependent on another living organism or dead and decaying organic matter. The example for animals, human beings. Example for kingdom Animalia, human beings. Human beings. Any other animals, you can write birds, bats, dog, cat, monkeys, etc. All organisms comes under kingdom Animalia. Then, kingdom Animalia is mainly divided into two groups, such as non-chordates and chordates. Kingdom Animalia includes two groups, such as non-chordates and chordates. Based on the presence or absence of notochord. Based on the presence or absence of notochord, kingdom Animalia is classified into two groups, such as non-chordates and chordates. Non-chordates means here notochord is absent. Chordates means the presence of notochord. If notochord is present, then it is called as chordate, backbone. If notochord is absent, then they are called as non-chordates. In 9th standard, you have studied about the non-chordates and chordates. Non-chordates includes different phylum, such as phylum Porifera, phylum Coelenterata, phylum Platyhelminthus, phylum Aschelminthus, phylum Arthropoda, phylum Annelida, phylum Mollusca, etc. comes under non-chordates. Non-chordates means here notochord is absent. Whereas the phylum chordates, which mainly includes vertebrates. That vertebrates includes fishes, class Pisces means fish, class Amphibia, class Reptilia, class Aves, birds. Class Aves means birds, and class Mammalia, mammals. Human beings comes under class Mammalia. All these class comes under chordates. These non-chordates and chordates both comes under kingdom Animalia. This is about 5 kingdom system of classification. According to 5 kingdom system of classification, there are 5 kingdoms. In that, kingdom Monera includes unicellular prokaryotic organism. Remember, unicellular prokaryotic organism are grouped under kingdom Monera. All prokaryotic organisms were grouped under kingdom Monera. Kingdom Protista includes unicellular eukaryotic organism. Kingdom Mycota or fungi includes multicellular, except yeast, multicellular, eukaryotic, heterotrophic organisms. Whereas the kingdom Plantae includes multicellular, eukaryotic, autotrophic organisms. Kingdom Animalia includes multicellular, eukaryotic, heterotrophic, motile organisms. This is about 5 kingdom system of classification. Whereas the viruses were not grouped under these kingdoms. Viruses not at all included under 5 kingdoms, because outside the host, viruses are obligate parasite. About viruses, let us discuss in the next class. Thank you.